spice up your bland rice with our Caribbean yellow rice recipe, which is flavorful and absolutely delicious. So getting started, I'm starting with chopping some of my ingredients. So I've just got about a quarter of a medium brown onion here, and I'm just going to chop this up. And then again, I'm just taking a little bit of a medium red bell pepper, and I'm just going to chop this up. I've got 2 garlic cloves here, and I'm dicing this up. I always smash my garlic cloves as well, as I find it just makes it easier to get it nice and fine. And then I'm just going to take a tiny bit of Scotch bonnet pepper. It's not meant to be the spiciest recipe, but you know me, I always need to get some Scotch bonnet in there. So now to bring it all together, I've got a pot and I've just melted some butter in it, and then I'm going to start to caramelize my onions and my garlic. After that has cooked down a bit, I'm going to add in my peppers, and then I'm going to season it with some curry powder and some all-purpose. Now, curry powder and turmeric is where the rice gets its yellow colour. After allowing this to sit, I'm going to add in some washed rice and then a bit of boiled water until the rice is covered with a tiny margin. You don't want to let this cook down on a medium temperature until the water has evaporated. If you get to the end and the water is gone and it's still not as soft as you want it to be, you just want to continue to add a tiny bit of water in parts until it is nice and soft. When you're adding the tiny bits of water, then you want to start to turn the temperature down to something very low so that now we're steaming the rice. When the water is more or less almost done, and hence the rice is almost done cooking, I add in some spring onions, I drop in a Scotch bonnet pepper, and then I just add some salt to taste. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.